Thank you for checking out the pricing charts. I think this could be a real game changer for people because I was thinking about it the other day. Let's just say you got 300 customers and you do 7 applications a year and you undercharge them by $2 per application. Well, that could cost you $4,200 over the course of the year. So getting the pricing right is very, very important. Obviously, if you're mowing grass, you're doing way more than 7 cuts a year, hopefully. So the pricing is super important. I thought this worksheet that can be downloaded and can be updated year after year is going to be a very helpful tool. So what I've done is create 2 different pricing charts. I'm going to show you the actual pricing charts here in just a minute. One is a sliding scale pricing chart. So it starts from 2,000 square feet and goes all the way to 30,000 square feet. You can extend it. And as the lawn gets larger, the price per 1,000 square feet gets smaller. So I think it starts on this example, and again, you can change it at $18 per 1,000 square feet for a 2,000 square foot yard. So that's a $36 yard. Again, change it if you want to, depending on your area. But as you go down to larger yards, you're not charging $18 per 1,000 square feet. It goes lower and lower all the way down to, I think, $7 is what I have it on this pricing chart. And this is very, very close to what I'm charging for my weed control and fertilization business. Of course, the market may be a little different for you, and you could also use something like this for mowing if you want to charge by the square footage. You might need to make adjustments on certain yards that may be out of the way, maybe have on a steep hill, have a lot of landscape, and other complications may cause you to adjust it, but this could be a very good guide. The other pricing charts include, I'm really excited about, because it's more of a dynamic pricing chart. Some people price by having a minimum charge that they're going to do no matter what. So let's just say it's 2,000 square feet or below and your minimum is $40. Now it may be different for you, but let's just use $40 as an example. You enter that into the pricing chart, and then you tell it how much you want to charge for each additional 1,000 square feet. So for every 1,000 square feet above the 2,000 square feet minimum, let's say you're going to charge $7. So in the example, a 2,000 square foot yard is going to be $40. A 3,000 square foot yard is going to be $47. A 4,000 square foot yard is going to be $54, and so on. Well, the good thing about this chart, the way we've got it set up, and this can be open in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. You can make a copy of it, make changes to it. I'm going to show it to you, but you can change those numbers and it will populate for you. So let me show it to you. This is the sliding scale chart here. And you see I started 2,000 square feet, go down to 30,000 square feet. You can expand this if you want to. This is very close to what I'm charging, and also got fire ant control prices in here as well. But you see it starts at $18 per 1,000 square feet, and then it goes down all the way to $7 per 1,000 square feet. You can keep adjusting it if you want. And as you change the numbers, the chart will populate for you with the formulas in here. Now, I would encourage you to make a copy of the original before you start making changes in case you mess up the formulas. This second chart here, this is the one that's a little more dynamic as far as you put in there what your minimum charge is. So you say if it's less than 2,000 square feet, I'm going to charge $38, and I'm going to charge, let's just say $7 for each additional 1,000 square feet. When you change this cell and this cell, it repopulates the whole chart. So at $38 for a minimum stop plus $7 for each additional 1,000, it automatically populates the whole chart for you. You want to go up next year to $750. Go ahead, just put $750 in right here. It populates the whole thing. Now, I don't have 50 cents. It rounds up to the nearest dollar. This one's really cool because it can be adjusted. You can adjust your minimum rate. You can adjust the price for each additional 1,000 square feet. And at this, $38 with $7 for the minimum, it's going to come out really close to what the other chart is. And you can compare them. You can play with the numbers and make it what you want for each year. And then next year, if you want to adjust it, then you can adjust it. But what I do is I'll print these off, laminate them, keep them in my truck, my pricing chart. And that way I have pricing with me whenever I need it if somebody calls for a quote. I really appreciate you considering the pricing chart if you think it'd be helpful for your business. It will be available for download after you purchase. It's also included in some of the other things I offer, like the Weed Control and Fertilization Academy, the Lawn Business Master Academy, the Weed Control and Fertilization Documents, or the Weed Control and Fertilization Documents plus Lawn Care Letters combo. So if you want one of those more expensive products, this will be included in there with it, or you can just buy this product on its own. Thanks a lot, and hope it goes well for you in your lawn care business.